Oh, you can play spider too, huh? They're gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun. Try again. Open your hand up. Open your hand up.
Hey, Petey. Hey, Petey.
Can you weigh so big?
Hey, Petey. Petey.
So big. Oh, very good. Very good. So big. What a guy.
Pretty smart, Petey. Hey, Petey.
Goof. Can you do it again? Oh, so
Oh,
big.
so big. You play peekaboo?
Peekaboo. Not with the bottle in his hand.
Hey, Peeps.
Tears fell on his hand. He didn't know what it was.
That's funny. I saw the tear fall.
Yeah.
Hey, son.
His tears just hang around those eyes.
Hey, son.
Wave at mommy. Can you wave at mom? Hi, mom.
Say hi, Mom. Where's Mama? Hi, yeah, look how smart you
Tell
are.
your mother when you're doing it.
He's so smart, Petey. Really lovely sounds, honey. Can you do your motorboat sound?
Oh, there you
Can't,
Stop
can't,
motor.
can't get your motor started today.
I like it. What a good boy.
Where's your nose, Petey? Where's your nose? Where's your nose? I know, it's a hard question. When in doubt, drink.
No kidding.
No? Where are you? Good morning. There you are. There you're in the sun. Too close to you. There you are. Hello, gorgeous.
I ate several buttons.
You what?
I ate several buttons.
You ate several buttons. What buttons? What are you talking about? Can you tell me that song you learned at school yesterday?
What is?
Something about Columbus on the ocean?
No, I don't want to do that.
You don't want to sing it? All right. Well,
I want to sing it tomorrow.
I guess I can't take.
I want to take my picture.
All right. What's that up there? What's this thing up here?
A pumpkin.
Okay. What's that other thing?
And that's the boat trail.
The boat trail.
Huh?
Whose boat is that?
Huh?
Ouch.
Oh no.
Yeah. Who sailed on that boat?
It's okay,
Shit.
Judy.
Ships. Is that Christopher Columbus ships?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Don't you want to sing Columbus? What was that song?
Columbus sailed over the ocean.
That's right.
I want to sing it.
You don't want to sing Columbus sailed over the ocean?
No.
Wave goodbye.
No, I'm not gonna go.